Autodesk Fusion 360 is cloud-enabled 3D CAD and CAM software for designing models with freeform or solid modeling techniques, then sharing them with other collaborators.
Fusion Team can be used to review, comment and mark up designs, allowing manufacturers downstream to feedback information to designers on change requests required for successful manufacturing. Design modifications can now be made and sent back to manufacturer for final digital verification and simulation before sending to the machine for production.
By using Fusion Team and Fusion 360 with FeatureCam, you can collaborate successfully across teams, communicate effectively, and feedback efficiently to maximize the profitability of your design and manufacturing processes.
Fusion 360, one product, unlimited possibilities.